Okay, let's continue. We just finished install these 3 files, and I tell you to run CX, right? Why didn't I ask you to install all these files? If you go to packages.debian.org, for example, this is libmpi.so, right? If you go here and check and find this file, it will show you no search result. And if you continue all these files, there is no result. So all the files are missing, but you still can run CX, right? Okay, so what happened? That is because if you go to OPT-EDA, if you go to Custom Explorer, here, let me show you what happened. Now you can use this command, find /-name libmpi.so. You can see that this file is actually in Custom Explorer's library directory. This is its own library file. You can find the next one here. Okay? And so on and so forth. You can find this. If you go here and find, you can see there is a platform Linux 64 lib. That is its own library. Okay? And you can run this command again. It will show you the file is in libndna, in this directory, the same directory. Okay? And so on. Thus, 所以这就是为什么我教你们装完 libqt5 之后有没有，我就不弄了，因为这些档案你都找不到，这些档案是内建的。知道吗？他执行的时候，他会找他自己的路径把它包进来，所以他才不会叫说，哎，又有什么东西不见了。可是 libqt5 它没有包进去，你就得要手动装，这样了解吗？哦，所以这个是这一个 Custom Explorer 的完整武功秘籍，我把这个完整版再给你们。那现在10点59分，我休息5分钟，11点5分我们就开始来讲 Spectre， 然后我们今天把 Spectre 讲完就下课，好不好？我今天就大概可以把 Spectre 讲完哈，所以各位啊，这些都经验呐，这个不要简单啦，不是你去问 AI 的遐，哪遐简单问 AI 的遐，我觉得现在，但是最近的迷思又是啊，你就去丢给 AI， 这个情况就很像我那个时候，因为 Google 出来之前的搜寻引擎很烂，找的东西都是广告。为什么 Google 会成为搜寻引擎的霸主？因为 Google 找出来的结果很正确。然后那个时候很多老板就会说啊，你去找 Google 的好啊。那现在 AI 出来又跟以前 Google 又很像了，就是现在的老板就说啊，你去问 AI 的好啊，那遐高 I 的好啊，无遐高 I 啦。